I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Ford Focus using an easy method. First, let's gather our essentials. You'll need a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a drain pan. Make sure you have about 4 to 5 quarts of new motor oil and a fresh oil filter. Safety is key, so wear gloves and eye protection throughout the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change. Now let's get rid of that old oil. Carefully locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it to catch all the used oil. Using your wrench, slowly loosen and remove the plug. Allow the old oil to drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Ensure the flow stops before proceeding. With the old oil drained, it's time for the filter. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about a quarter to a half turn more. Don't forget to securely reinsert the drain plug. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the exact oil type and capacity, typically around 4 to 5 quarts. Slowly pour the new oil into the engine's oil fill cap. After adding most of it, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle. Then, check the dipstick, adding small amounts until the level is between the min and max marks. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.